Combine duplicate rows is a simple 3-step tool, yet it's a lot more useful than it may seem at first. There are 3 major things this add-on will do for you. First and foremost, it will combine rows with duplicates into one. What about adjacent values? Well, the second thing it lets you do is list unique values you want to keep. And finally, it can also deal with numbers by applying one of the common functions of your choice. Let's look at 3 simple steps that let you do the same in your table. As an example, I have a table with orders, some of which should go to the same customers. So I'll find Power Tools, open the Merge and Combine group, and click Combine Duplicate Rows. You see how it selects all my data. I can still modify the range if necessary, but I need it this way, so we'll go ahead and click Next. Now I will specify key columns it needs to check for duplicates. I'm looking for the same customer names at the same addresses, so these are the columns I'll pick here. I can also manage case differences and blanks using these checkboxes at the top. Now let's go to the most interesting step. Once I select one of the remaining columns, it lets me differentiate between listings and calculations. So I can choose to merge the values that I want to keep, like product names, and pick or enter a delimiter between them. Or I can calculate numbers, for example, sum them. One very convenient option here is deleting duplicate values in the columns you're merging, so it will keep just the uniques. I'll go ahead and click Finish to see the result. Now I have all orders perfectly merged by customer and address, with a list of products and the totals neatly calculated. Combine Duplicate Rows is a part of Power Tools add-on that boasts a great collection of similar time savers. You can find it in the add-ons store, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us for assistance.